Hello, dear friends and fans of goodlifta. Welcome back. I'm more than delighted to introduce another smart server lifter to you today. This smart server lifter comes with a dual drive motor with this handy handheld joystick remote control. When it's on, you can drive the smart lifter along with the load easily at your fingertips. Other than this joystick control, it also comes with our famous safety features such as safety locks. Once it's open, the lifter is stationed where you cannot drive it. You see this orange light? So any one of these gates is open, you cannot drive the lifter. Okay, so once the gate is closed, we are able to move the lifter. That makes our lifter much safer when installing or taking out the materials such as servers or power packs. This is our patented push button leveling feature where I can push one button to automatically align the deck, or I can push individually to change any direction. So it gives us great capability to change the leveling settings of the deck to align with the server racks. When going up or down, we also have this world famous ASP function where you can select the preset settings. Okay, let's go into this zone selector where you have 10 or more zones for setting. So let's go to Taipei 101. I've preset some of the features, and you've got 20 levels where you can preset the heights. So let's go to number 1. Once it's selected, push the button so it runs automatically to the preset heights. Utilize the leveling features here. You can perfectly align our deck with the rack, shelf, or other zones where you want to place your material. That's it for today. So whatever material issues you are running into, especially when it comes to servers, please feel free to contact us. We'll be more than happy to assist you. See you soon. Bye.